been taking some time to be distant. I've been taking some time to be still. I've been taking some time to be by myself since my therapist told me I'm ill. And I've been making some progress lately, and I've learned some new coping skills. So I haven't really needed to do much, man. I think we need to just step back and chill. Ran, you sound on the same and I do. You think that I've talked this already as a guy. Did you do this a million times? Just a million times. It's a perfect to always being like to. Okay, take another pill, boy. Round yourself in the sound of white noise. Follow this that program. Rejoice, all your problems will be gone. Dumb boy, aren't they? This time is different, man, trust me. I feel like things might be falling in place. And my music's been kinda doing bits too. Like I actually might do something great. And when I'm gone, maybe I'll be remembered for doing something special with myself. That's why I don't think that we should talk, man. Cause when you're with me, it never seems to help. You think that you can amputate me? I am you, you are me, you are I am we are one. Split into you, that makes one. So you see, you gotta kill you if you wanna kill me. I'm not left for a dinner, I'm not strapped on the side. Oh, your music is private, delusional guy. What's your top 10 hit? Where's your interview with Oprah? Where are your Grammys, man? Nowhere. Yeah, but my music's not commercial like that. I never chase numbers, statistics or stats. I never write hooks for the radio, they never even play me, so why would I concern myself with that? But my music is really connecting, and the people who find it respect it. And for me that's enough, cause it's life pretty tough, so it gives me a purpose I can rest in. Man, you sound so pretentious. Man, your music is so self-centered. No one wants to hear another song about how much you hate yourself. Trust me. You should be so lucky. Have me inside you to guide you, reminding you to manage expectations, provide you respect. That thing you neglected, okay? You wanna be a big deal? Next Jimi Hendrix, forget it. Man, it's not like that. Man, it's just like that. I'm inside you, wow. No, it's not, man. You're wrong. When I write, I belong. Let me break the 4/4 by acknowledging this song. Brent sits down, has a stroke of genius. He wants to write a song that was not done previous. A battle with his subconscious, Eminem did it. Played on guitar, Plan B did it. Man, it's not original, it's written on rip off. It's the pinnacle of your success, it's even other people's material. Right, mate, you've heard it all before. She sells seashells on the seashore. I don't need you, I don't need to hear this. Cause I'm fine by myself, I'm a genius. And I will be great, and I will make waves. And I'll shake up the whole world beneath it. Newsflash, I was created at the dawn of creation. I am temptation. I am the snake in Eden. I am the reason for treason, beheading all kings. I am sin, with no rhyme or reason. Son of the morning, Lucifer, Antichrist, father of lies. Mephistopheles, who's in a blender, deceitful pretender, the vanished avenger, the righteous surrender. I'm standing in front of my soul reflects. My name is Sitiolin, so you see, I don't bow to the will of a mortal. People are normal, you wanna kill me, I'm eternal immortal. I live in every decision, and captain as chaos, the causes division. I live inside that's the beginning of end. I am you, you are me, I am you, friend. Taking some time to be still. I've been taking some time to be by myself, and I've spent half my life there. But just as sure as the tide starts turning, just as sure as the night has dawned, just as sure as the rainfall soon runs dry when the sand and an eye is storm. I was made to be tested and twisted. I was made to be broken and beat. I was made by his hand as a part of his plan. I stand on my own 2 feet. And you know me, my will is eternal. And you know me, you've met me before. Face to face with the beast, I will rise from the east and I'll settle on the ocean floor. And I go by many names also. Some people know me as hope. Some people know me as the voice that you hear when you loosen the noose on the rope. And you know how I know that I'll prosper, cause I stand here beside you today. I have stood in the flames that cremated my brain, and I didn't once lose your shape. So count on what I become when I sing from the top of my lungs. That I won't be tired, I'll stand in your fire and fire that me to be strong. And when I am gonna rise in the music that I left behind, ferocious, persistent, immortal like you, we're appointed to different sides. When I was 17 years old, I shouted out into an empty room, into a blank canvas that I would defeat the forces of evil. And for the next 10 years of my life, I suffered the consequences, with autoimmunity, illness, and psychosis. As I got older, I realized there were no real winners, and there were no real losers in psychological warfare, but there were victims, and there were students. It wasn't David versus Goliath, it was a pendulum, eternally swaying from the dark to the light. And the more intensely that the light shone, the darker the shadow would cast. It was never really a battle for me to win, it was an eternal dance. And like a dance, the more rigid I became, the harder it got. The more I cursed my clumsy footsteps, the more I struggled. So I got older, and I learned to relax, and I learned to soften, and that dance got easier. It is this eternal dance that separates human beings from angels, from demons, from gods. And I must not forget, we must not forget, that we are human beings.